These are the only fruits and vegetables you should be eating in the month of March. Why? Because they're in season. This is how I smoothie prep for the month of March. I get all of my produce from the farmer's market, so I give it a nice rinse before I chop it up. The skins of your fruit can contain a lot of dirt, so when you're cutting and handling them, so you don't transfer the dirt from those peels onto your actual fruit, it's important that you wash them. Plus, we're not trying to mess up our delicious in-season fruit. Look at this grapefruit. Look how juicy that is. All of these fruits and veggies are going to be used for my spring fast, which starts on the first day of spring and lasts till Easter. It's an easy 12-day fast. If you want to join me, leave a comment below. Don't forget your beets, y'all. They improve your blood flow and lower your blood pressure. Next, grab a Ziploc bag and start stuffing your bags full of a handful of each fruit or vegetable. You don't need any measuring cups. You don't need any scales. Just grab a handful of each, zip them up, and throw them in the freezer. When you're ready to make a smoothie, all you need to do is grab your blender, add a little coconut water, chia seeds, my fruits and vegetables, 1 cup of yogurt, and then I add my Vital Spice Daily Blend, which has the essential 8 herbs and spices you need in your diet every day. And since springtime is here, I top it off with that Allergy Aid Plus, an all-natural way to keep you from sneezing and coughing from seasonal allergies. Get everything from UncleDibbz.com. Enjoy this delicious, fresh seasonal smoothie all month long. Let's start off the spring on a good foot, y'all. Full recipe in the caption or the link in my bio. That's good, Soda.